Welcome to this quick guide on turning off WhatsApp message notifications on your PC with the latest update. If you're tired of constant ping alerts and want a quieter desktop experience, you're in the right place. We'll walk through the exact steps so you can customize your notifications in just a few seconds. First, open the WhatsApp application on your computer. Make sure you're signed in and viewing your chats as usual. Once the app is open, look to the left side of the screen where the main menu lives. You'll see a gear icon that represents the settings area. Click that gear icon to enter the settings. Inside the settings, you'll find several options, but you're aiming for notifications. The notification section is where all alert preferences are stored, including message, call, and group notification settings. Click on notifications to open the full list of options. In the notifications menu, you'll see toggles and checkboxes for different alert types. To disable message notifications specifically, locate the option labeled message notifications. This controls the alert sound, pop-up, and banner behavior when you receive new messages. Turn off or disable this option. By doing so, you'll stop desktop message alerts while leaving other notification types intact if you prefer. If you'd like to fine-tune further, you can explore additional controls within the same menu. For example, you might see options to silence notifications for a set period or to mute sounds while keeping other indicators active. Adjust these according to how much of WhatsApp activity you want to notice on your PC. When you're finished, close the settings panel and your changes take effect immediately. And you should no longer receive message notifications on your desktop while WhatsApp remains ready for use. Oh, that's all there is to it. A few simple clicks and you regain control over your PC's notification flow without uninstalling or changing your overall WhatsApp usage. If you found this helpful, consider saving this quick walkthrough for future reference, or share it with someone who could use a calmer workspace.